Hi, my name is Emily de Herrera, Assistant Director of Admissions here at the University of the Pacific. We are so excited to have you apply to our university, and today I'm here to walk you through the steps of our application. So first, you're going to want to head over to pacific.edu. This is going to lead you to our homepage. Here at the top right, you'll see Apply. You're going to go ahead and select Apply. This will lead you to our admission and aid page. Today, we're going to be going over first-year students. After clicking first-year students, it will lead you to our undergraduate student admission page. As you scroll down, you'll have two options. You'll have Pacific application and our Common App application. For today's video, we're going to focus on the Pacific application. This will lead you to our application management page where, if you're a returning user, you can log in, but for a first-time user, you will create an account. For today, we're going to be creating an account. This will bring you to our register page. This is where you're going to want to register your account. So first, you're going to put in your email address. So after you fill out your email address, you'll go ahead and fill out your first name, last name, and your birthday. I'll go ahead and do that right now. Once you fill out that registration page, it is going to bring you into the login page. This is where whatever email you put in, you will be getting an email with a temporary PIN. So once you locate your PIN from your email, you'll go ahead and type it in. You'll also oh my gosh, no, you're sorry. You'll also put your birth date. So I'll do that now. So the next page is going to have you set a new password. This is going to be one that you get to customize, and make sure it's one that you will remember, because it's going to be how you get back into your application portal. This will bring you to the application management page. This is where it's going to ask you what application you would like to start. For this case, we want to apply fall 2027/spring 2028 applicants. Start new application. You'll just continue to press create application. From here, it's going to have you fill out a variety of different questions to get more information about yourself, starting with academic plans. You will choose first year student. When do you plan to enroll? Fall 2027. This is where you're going to be able to choose what major you're interested in. We do give you the option of first choice and second choice major. We always encourage students to do a second choice major as well. For today, I will choose accounting and my second choice major, biochemistry. Press continue. Here's where you'll start filling out your background. So you'll put your first name. If you do have a different first name that you like people to call you, you can select that yes. And right under where it says my first name, you'll be able to write the name that you prefer. Moving down, make sure that your birthday is correct. That will follow addresses. When inserting addresses, make sure it is an address that you do receive mail at. You'll move down to the contact information where you can add a mobile phone and also a home phone number. Moving along to demographics, there are going to be a few questions that you will want to answer. Gender, legal sex, pronouns, if you were in the military, and a few other ones. As you move past that, you'll have the option to choose how many languages you speak. That will lead you to choosing what birth country, region, or territory that you were born in, and then also the city of birth. This will also lead you to choosing your citizenship status. So after filling out geography and nationality, we'll move down to more family information. You'll answer a few of these questions, and that will lead us to the academic history. The first item on academic history is going to be listing all of the high schools that you have attended. So you'll add the institution here. You'll go ahead and fill out whatever current high school or most recent high school that you've attended, your enrollment start date. It'll ask you a few other questions regarding that institution. After that, you'll go ahead and press save. The next section of the application is really important. It's where you're going to be able to put in what in-progress courses you are planning to take this year. You can go ahead and add these courses by selecting Add Course, write the course name, the start date, end date, and choose what type of course it was. So whether it was AP, dual enrollment, or honors or IB. You'll go ahead and press save. So after inputting all in-progress courses, this will lead you to your responsibilities and circumstances. This is going to give you the opportunity to let us know a little bit more about your situation. So you can go ahead and select anything that does apply to you. As we move down, we do have the option for you to input your test scores. This is optional, but if you do have test scores that you want to add to your application, this is going to be where you would add it. So moving along, you are able to add any kind of honors that's related to your academic achievements. If you do want to add some, you can press yes and select add new right below. On your application, we do have a section for you to list your activities and extracurriculars. Whatever you would like us to know about you, you can just select add new and input the organization name, your position/leadership description, also the grade levels of which you participated in this extracurricular, following different information that we would like to know. Once you've completed, you can press save. After you've inputted all of this information, it's going to lead you to the personal statement. Here at Pacific, we allow you to write essentially whatever you would like to write about. We do have different prompts that you can use if you need a little bit of help, but just remember that 650 words is your limit, not your goal. Use the full range if you need it, but don't feel obligated to do so. The application won't accept a response shorter than 250 words. After you finish your personal statement, you can upload that file right here where it says choose file. Once it's uploaded, you can press continue. This will lead you to the other interests page. Here at Pacific, we do have pre-professional programs, and if you're interested in any of them, this is your opportunity where you can acknowledge that. Do you plan on applying for financial aid? You can select yes. Are you interested in applying for honors and scholar programs? If so, select yes. This will bring you down to a drop down to where you can select all the programs that you're interested in applying to. Then it follows into your interests into pre-professional programs. If you are interested, you select yes, and then you can select all the programs that you are interested in here at Pacific. This also is going to give you the chance to select any extracurricular activities that you're interested in doing here at Pacific. So select all that applies to you. Once you have a few selected, you can go ahead and press continue. This leads you to the certification and acknowledgement page. This has you certify that all the information that you provided in the application is complete and accurate. Down here is where you will go ahead and click to sign. So you'll be able to write your name. Once completed, you will press sign. So after selecting continue, you will be brought to a page for getting into the application portal. You'll go ahead and click undergraduate applicant. After choosing undergrad applicant, this will bring you to the Tiger Connect application portal. This is the portal that you will get all the information that you need regarding your application. You can see here that if you are awaiting an application fee, high school transcripts, or a personal statement, you will be able to see the status. If you had to wait to upload a transcript, you would go here, select high school transcript, and then choose the file of your transcript and upload. It also has your counselor and their information on the right side, so feel free to reach out to them if you do have any questions at all. And below you can find scholar programs and scholarships. This is where you're going to be able to apply for some of the different scholar programs and scholarships that we have to offer. So make sure that you are constantly going to Tiger Connect and checking your application status. Thank you so much for following along with me today during this application process. If you have any questions at all, feel free to call our office or reach out to your counselor. We are so excited to read your applications this fall. Go Tigers!